Happy Sunday, everybody. Today is Mindset Sunday for the Daily Spoonful. And today's topic is Your Future Self is Watching. Hi there, I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. And today's Mindset Reset, Your Future Self is Watching. Hey friends, I'm Dr. Rose, your Primal Professor, and today's Mindset Reset is Your Future Self is Watching. Every choice you make, what you eat, how you move, what you say to yourself, either builds you up or breaks down the person you're becoming. And guess what? The future version of you, she's rooting for you, or he's rooting for you. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. And when you skip the drive-thru, hydrate instead of grabbing a soda, or say no to the late night snack, you're not just choosing for today. You're casting a vote for health, strength, and energy for next month, next year, and the next decade. So here's today's nugget. Every decision is a message to your future self. Make it one she'll thank you for. I remember it was around the holidays, and I do make a mean cookie. And I remember standing in my kitchen one night, and I was exhausted and staring at the tin of cookies. And I actually said out loud, "What would future Rose want?" Let's just say future Rose is glad I made a cup of tea instead. So here's the strategy for this week. Try this. Before your next health decision, pause and picture your future self. Ask her what she hopes you'll choose, then act like she matters. She matters because she's you. You're not just changing habits, you're changing your future. See you tomorrow on Macro Monday.